Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that is crucial for a man's health and well-being, boosting stamina and vitality. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to feel drained, tired, and just not at your best. Whether it's in your career, your workouts, or your personal life, having that extra gear of energy can make all the difference. The great news is that nature has provided us with some incredible tools to help us get back on track. We're going to explore some of the top natural remedies that can help you reclaim your energy, enhance your performance, and feel more alive. This isn't about quick fixes or magic pills. It's about sustainable, holistic approaches to long-term health. So, if you're ready to unlock your full potential, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about something you're probably already familiar with, but maybe not in this context. Diet. What you put on your plate is the literal fuel for your body. To boost stamina, you need to focus on nutrient-dense, whole foods. Think complex carbohydrates like oatmeal, brown rice, and sweet potatoes. These release energy slowly and steadily, preventing those dreaded afternoon crashes. Don't fear healthy fats either. Avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil are essential for hormone production, including testosterone, which is a key player in a man's energy and vitality. And of course, lean protein from sources like chicken, fish, beans, and lentils is crucial for muscle repair and growth, which directly impacts your physical stamina. A simple rule to follow is to eat the rainbow. The more colorful your plate is with fruits and vegetables, the wider the range of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants you're getting, all of which fight fatigue and support overall health. Now, let's move into the exciting world of adaptogenic herbs. If you haven't heard of adaptogens, they're a class of plants that help your body adapt to and resist physical, chemical, and biological stress. One of the most famous adaptogens for men is ashwagandha. This ancient herb, used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine, is a powerhouse. Studies have shown it can help reduce cortisol, our primary stress hormone. When cortisol is chronically high, it can lead to fatigue, weight gain, and decreased vitality. By helping to balance cortisol levels, ashwagandha can improve energy, enhance focus, and even support athletic performance by increasing strength and oxygen use during exercise. It's often called the strength of the stallion for good reason, as it's also traditionally used to support male reproductive health and libido. It's a fantastic all-rounder for combating the effects of modern stress. Another incredible adaptogen to have on your radar is Panax ginseng, often referred to as Asian or Korean ginseng. This is one of the most well-researched herbs in the world, and it has a long history of use for enhancing physical performance and fighting fatigue. Ginseng works by helping to improve energy production within your cells. It doesn't give you a jittery, artificial buzz like caffeine. Instead, it provides a more sustained, deep-seated energy. Research suggests it can help with everything from mental clarity and focus to improving endurance during physical activity. It's particularly noted for its ability to combat feelings of lethargy and exhaustion. So, if you're feeling mentally and physically drained, Panax ginseng might be the natural boost you need to feel more alert, capable, and ready to take on your day. It's a true classic for a reason. Let's not forget about the power of micronutrients, specifically zinc and magnesium. These two minerals are absolute cornerstones of men's health. Zinc is fundamentally involved in hundreds of enzymatic reactions in the body, including the production of testosterone. Low zinc levels are directly linked to low testosterone, which can manifest as low energy, poor stamina, and a decreased sense of well-being. You can find zinc in foods like oysters, beef, pumpkin seeds, and lentils. Magnesium, on the other hand, is the relaxation mineral. It plays a vital role in energy metabolism, muscle function, and nerve signaling. A deficiency can lead to fatigue, muscle cramps, and poor sleep, all of which kill your stamina. Magnesium helps your body produce ATP, the main energy currency of your cells. Great food sources include spinach, almonds, black beans, and avocados. Ensuring you have adequate levels of both zinc and magnesium is a non-negotiable foundation for optimal male vitality. Next on our list is a unique fungus that has been gaining massive popularity in the wellness community, cordyceps. Originally found high in the Himalayan mountains, this medicinal mushroom has been used in traditional Chinese medicine for centuries to treat fatigue and improve lung function. Modern science is now backing this up. Cordyceps is believed to increase the body's production of ATP, which, as we just discussed, is essential for delivering energy to the muscles. This can significantly improve the way your body uses oxygen, especially during exercise. Athletes often turn to cordyceps to boost their VO2 max, which is a measure of maximal oxygen uptake, leading to improved stamina and endurance. So, whether you're a runner, a weightlifter, or just someone looking to have more energy for a walk with your family, cordyceps can be a powerful natural ally in your quest for a better physical performance and less fatigue. Now, let's shift gears from what you consume to what you do. Regular, consistent exercise is one of the most effective ways to boost your long-term stamina. It might sound counterintuitive that you have to spend energy to make energy, but it's absolutely true. When you exercise, you're challenging your heart, lungs, and muscles, forcing them to become more efficient. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is particularly effective. This involves short bursts of all-out effort followed by brief recovery periods. HIIT can significantly improve your cardiovascular health and your body's ability to use oxygen, which translates directly to better stamina in all areas of life. But don't discount steady-state cardio like jogging or cycling, and certainly don't forget strength training. Building muscle increases your resting metabolic rate and improves your body's ability to store and use energy. The key is consistency. Find activities you enjoy and make them a non-negotiable part of your weekly routine. Beyond diet and exercise, there's a pillar of health that is often the first to be sacrificed: sleep. You simply cannot have good stamina and vitality without adequate, high-quality sleep. This is when your body and brain do their most important repair work. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormone, which is essential for tissue repair and muscle growth. It's also when your brain clears out metabolic waste products that accumulate during the day. Skimping on sleep, even for just a few nights, can spike your cortisol levels, disrupt your hormones, and leave you feeling foggy, irritable, and completely drained. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. To improve your sleep hygiene, create a relaxing bedtime routine. Make sure your room is dark and cool, and avoid screens for at least an hour before you turn in. Prioritizing sleep is one of the most powerful things you can do for your energy levels. Let's touch on another powerful natural remedy, maca root. Hailing from the Andes Mountains of Peru, maca is a cruciferous vegetable, similar to broccoli and cauliflower, but it's the root that holds the nutritional power. It has been cultivated for thousands of years and was historically used by warriors to increase strength and endurance. Maca is also an adaptogen, helping the body cope with stress. But it's particularly well known for its effects on energy and libido. Unlike stimulants, maca doesn't contain caffeine. It nourishes the endocrine system, specifically the adrenal and pituitary glands, which helps to balance hormones and provide a natural, sustained energy lift without the jitters or crash. Many users report feeling more energetic, having a better mood, and experiencing an increase in stamina, both in the gym and in the bedroom. It's a fantastic food-based supplement for overall male vitality. Finally, let's talk about the importance of hydration and stress management. It's so simple, yet so many of us overlook it. Your body is about 60% water, and even mild dehydration can cause your energy levels to plummet and your physical performance to suffer. Water is essential for nutrient transport, temperature regulation, and virtually every process in your body. Make it a habit to sip water throughout the day, not just when you feel thirsty. At the same time, you need to actively manage your stress. Chronic stress is a primary drain on your vitality. Techniques like meditation, deep breathing exercises, spending time in nature, or even just listening to calming music can have a profound impact. Taking just 5 to 10 minutes a day to intentionally de-stress can help lower cortisol, improve your mood, and conserve your precious energy for the things that matter most. So, there you have it, a comprehensive look at some of the best natural ways to boost your stamina and vitality. From optimizing your diet with whole foods and key minerals like zinc and magnesium, to harnessing the power of adaptogenic herbs like ashwagandha, ginseng, and maca. We've also covered the performance-enhancing mushroom cordyceps and reinforced the fundamental importance of exercise, quality sleep, hydration, and stress management. Remember, the goal here is not to just try one thing, but to build a holistic lifestyle that supports your energy and well-being from every angle. Start small. Incorporate one or two of these strategies and notice how you feel. Over time, these habits build on each other, creating a powerful foundation for lasting health and vitality. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found this information valuable and feel inspired to take control of your energy levels. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like it, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below what are your go-to natural remedies for boosting stamina. Let's share our knowledge and support each other on this journey. Until next time, stay healthy, stay strong, and take care.